Someone has asked me about small claims and what your rights are and what your rights aren't. And I have talked about this earlier, but I will say it again in brief. I've now decided to take my legal case to small claims. I file the necessary letter of what's known as a demand. This is a simple letter, by the way. One sentence. I demand the return of my $100. Certified. 15 days. I didn't get a letter back, or I didn't get the money back. I now sue them. I walk into the courtroom and I state my case. It is likely that the judge will say, I cannot hear this case. This case belongs before the ombudsman. All right? Now go before the ombudsman. But look at what you've done. You have gotten yourself into a courtroom. You've taken the time away from the HOA, the management company, the collection company, to come in and defend a $100 matter, which could cost, and I have been there and I've seen it, $5,000 to $10,000 for them to defend. Now, if you're a prudent business person and you're on the other side, I'm going to say, you know what? Let's not go after this guy. He's a pain in the ass. Let's go after her. She's an old lady. She won't do anything. This guy's about to die. Let's go after him. But not this guy. He's too much of a hassle. Do I expect ultimately to be attacked from all ends? You bet. Because this voice needs to be stopped. But this voice that you're hearing has prepaid for this site to be up for 6 years, undisturbed, and only added on to. So they may do as they wish to me now. I'm okay with that. And I expect it. I simply expect to get better at it. But for you, take action, go to small claims, let the court decide, and note, if they don't show up, and for $100 they may not show up, you get the judgment, you set it up for collection. You just don't, go by and say, give me $100. You actually set it up for collection. And you charge the fees for that collection. And the most disturbing thing of all, once you have got that case won, that $100, you now may elect to file a lien against the common area in the HOA. Not the happiest day for the community.